G'day folks, it's Den here from the Business for Creatives podcast with another daily tip for you. Today I want to talk to you about what you say to a client when they say, "Oh, you seem expensive." Hey folks, yeah, this question comes up a lot. You put a quote into a prospect and they go, no, either hear nothing or they say, "Hey, it seems a bit expensive." What do you say in that circumstance? Well, again, it generally comes down to the relationship and the pre-frame. But what you can say is, well, when you say expensive, compared to what? That's a great way to respond. Open up the conversation. A deal is never a black and white yes or no decision. There are usually layers and there's potentially reasons why they have to stick to a certain budget. But if you don't open up the communication, have the conversation, then it's very difficult to actively find a way to find a middle ground. So ask them what it is they're looking to achieve. Why is they think it's expensive? Because generally what that means is they've got another quote. And you can actually say, listen, is it another quote you're comparing us to? Let's start discussing what it is line by line, because maybe they're using a different camera system. And if there's a way, let's say you're using a 4K camera, but they only want it to be 720, well, then you can understand a bit more and say, okay, well, we could actually replace that with a 1080p camera, and that way we can reduce our costs. So it's all about opening up a conversation, having a dialogue with a client, so you can then figure out what's the best solution for both parties to walk away in a win-win situation. That's it for me today, folks. I'll see you in another video.